Good morning, students of class 9. In the period of mathematics, we have started one new chapter, simultaneous linear equations. So in this chapter, we find these three words, simultaneous, linear and equations. So I have expressed these words in the last class, and again I want to revise these facts. Equations, linear and simultaneous. Equation, any algebraic expression that is equal to something. Something means any constant term should come here. That should be free from the variable. Any algebraic expression that is equal to a constant term. So while this equal, the symbol of equal to is coming, so we say this is an equation. And now second is linear. Linear defines the index. If there is only one index of a variable, here the index of x is 1. So if there is one index of the variable, that is linear. We have quadratic also. You can understand difference between linear and quadratic. Quadratic equation will have index 2. The index 2 will come as the power of variable in quadratic equation. If you write ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, this became the form of quadratic equation. But here in this equation, we find that the power of the variable is 1, or the index of the variable is 1. So while any algebraic expression that will consist the variable of power 1 or of index 1, and that is equal to some constant term, then that is called the linear equation. Here we will say this algebraic expression is a quadratic equation, because quadratic, as the power is given 2, for this power we name this type of equations as quadratic equation. But here power is 1, power of the variable is 1, so we say this is the linear equation. Equation why? Because the symbol of equal to is coming, and after equal to we are getting any constant term. And now third word is simultaneous. Simultaneous means when these two equations will be given together. Suppose a1x plus a1x plus 7 equal to 0. Second may be a2x plus 11 equal to 0. So these two equations are given together. So this type of equations will be called simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous for this pair of equations. Simultaneous for this pair of equations. Equations why? Because the sign of equal to is used, and after equal to any constant term is given. And linear why? Because the power of variable is 1. So this is the concept of simultaneous linear equation. Now our chapter is simultaneous linear equations of two variables. Till here we have seen only one variable, that is in this here x I have taken as the example. Here is also x, and here is also x. So in all these equations we have only one variable. If we use two variables such as a1x plus b1y, so here we are seeing there are two variables, and if it is equal to some constant term, maybe 0. And one more sentence, if we take a2x plus b2y equal to 0, here is also two equations. So this became the example of simultaneous linear inequation. Simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous means pair. Simultaneous means pair. Linear means the power of the variable should be 1. And equation why? Because this algebraic expression is equal to any constant term. So this is the simultaneous linear equation of two variables. Now in the next topic we see methods to solve simultaneous linear equations of two variables. There are three methods to solve simultaneous linear equations of two variables. First is substitution method, second is elimination method, and third is cross multiplication method. Before starting these methods to solve these simultaneous linear equations of two variables, I want to recall one graph work that we had done from the linear equation of one variable. Suppose we have 7x plus 6 equal to 0. So we say this is an example of linear equation of one variable. This is the example of linear equation of one variable. Linear because it will give a straight line on the graph sheet. Equation because this algebraic expression is equal to any constant term, means the symbol of equal to is used. And third, this is of one variable, so we say this is linear because it is one, it has one it has only one variable. So this is the linear equation of one variable. Now if we see the graph work of this linear equation of one variable, then we prepare the table, and here from here we solve this equation. And just a minute, I am repeating the explanation. First we see the solution of linear equation of two variables. Suppose we have 3x plus 2y equal to 0. This is an example of linear equation of two variables. Linear because it will give you a straight line on the graph sheet. Equation because this algebraic expression is equal to any constant term. Symbol of equal to is coming, so this is an equation. And third, that is two variables, because here in this example there are two variables x and y. So this type of equation became linear equation of two variable. Now if we prepare the graph sheet, for that we have to prepare if we draw the graph for this equation, for that we have to prepare one table. In table we prepare the boxes for the values of x and y. And now we will find out the value of x from here in term of y. Suppose the value of x became minus 2y by 3. Now we will choose the value of this y. Suppose it is 3. So we calculate, if it is 3, then minus 2y by 3 will be equal to minus 2 into 3 by 3. So this 3 cancelled, minus 2 is left, we will write here. Similarly, we will take the values of y and we will calculate the value of x. In this way, we get the values of x and y. Now we plot these values on the graph sheet. Suppose the first location, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is x dash, means for negative values, this is y dash. Suppose for first value of x and y came here, second value came here, third value maybe came here, and now you join all this you will get a straight line. So this is the graph work of a linear equation of two variables, and all these values will satisfy the linear equation of two variables. Will satisfy the linear equation of two variables in the sense, if we keep the values of x and y for this point, if we keep the values of x and y in the equation, that will be equal to 0. For this point also, if we keep the values of x and y, we will get that equation is equal to 0. It means the values of x and y will satisfy the linear equations of two variables. So this was the graph work. From here we will try to understand the graph work of simultaneous linear equation of two variables. Before starting the methods to solve the simultaneous linear equation of two variables, we are seeing the graph work of simultaneous linear equation of two variables. These two are examples of simultaneous linear equations. Since these are two, so we say this is simultaneous. In this two variables x and y, here is also x and y. So obviously, and this is equal to any constant term. There are two variables and index is 1. So this became the examples of simultaneous linear equations. So for this, we will prepare two tables for the value of x and y. And we will get the values of x and y. In this first table, we will keep the values of x and y from equation number 1. And in this table, we will keep the values x and y from equation number 2. How will you keep the values x and y, or how will you find the values of x and y? Just I have expressed about that. Now preparing this table, you will plot all these values on the graph sheet. This became the straight line. This became the line for the first table, because this is the linear equation of two variables, so it will give you one straight line. And again, this is also linear equation of two variables, so the values of this that is kept in table 2, that will also give you one straight line. So both straight lines will intersect each other at any common point. So the value of common point will give you the common solution for both the equations. Common solution means the value of this point that will come in the form of x and y. X is the distance on x-axis and y is the distance on y-axis. So this point will have two values, x and y, and if you keep the values of x and y in both equations one by one, then it will be equal to 4, and while you keep the values of x and y in second equation, you will get equal to 8. So what are you understanding? From this point we are getting a common value, common solutions for both the equations, and this common solution will satisfy both the equations. So we say this is the common solution. So this is the graph work of simultaneous linear equations of two variables.